Here's a Harbor Breeze Tillman, I believe is what you call this. Not sure exactly. I picked this up at Habitat yesterday. It's my first Habitat fan I picked up in quite a few years. But I've always wanted these since I was a little kid, and finally I was able to get one. So start it up on low. I am not at my house. I am actually at my friend Donald Root's house. He is also a fellow fan collector as well. It has a pretty aggressive blade pitch to it. It's actually a really good air mover for it being a Harbor Breeze product. Go to medium. I'll go to high. And we'll go to off. It's got a pretty aggressive wobble and high speed because the down rod is kind of loose on the bottom part towards the motor housing. So I don't know what's going on with that, but it has a super long spin down. I'm not going to record the whole thing. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.